So in the today's video, we are going to see difference between the Object Studio and Process Studio. So let's start with the video first. So for that, I have created the one sample object as well as one sample process. Okay. So there are few things which have different in the Object Studio as well as the Process Studio. So first one is the read, write, navigate, code and wait stage. These stages are available in the Object Studio but not in the Process Studio. So Process Studio don't have these stages in the Process Studio. So in the Process Studio, alert stage is the one which only available in the Process Studio but not in the Object Studio. Okay, let's see. So alert stage is not available in the Object Studio. This is the first difference. Okay. After that, second one is the alert stage in the Object Studio. Initialize and cleanup actions. These are the by default pages available in the Object Studio. And if we are talking about the Process Studio, so in the Process Studio, main page is the by default page available in the Process Studio. So in the Object Studio, application modular is also available. So with the help of application modular, we are awareing our Blue Prism about the external application. So let's say if we are automating the Flipkart application. So to aware our Blue Prism about the Flipkart application, we are using the application modular. Okay, and Process Studio is used to create the high level design. Okay, so to automate the Flipkart application, we can create the high level design flow in the Process Studio. So these are the differences in the Process Studio as well as in the Object Studio. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Hope this video is useful to you. If yes, please share this video with your friends and like and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.